Hello everyone and welcome to the unbiased review of KoreXKenshin.com. Friends, today we will analyze KoreXKenshin.com reviews and we will understand that whether this site is legit or not. This is not our website and our only motive is to make you aware of the various online sites. So let's proceed further to its homepage. As you can see, this site is offering various t-shirts as well as hoodies at extremely cost-effective prices, which is $45.99. This red t-shirt is for $32.99 and various other hoodies which are at extremely cost-effective prices. Also, if you want to buy the colorful t-shirts, again, the product is quite appealing and the prices as well. So friends, basically this website is all about cool t-shirts with KoreXKenshin pattern. So they are also linked with the Facebook, Twitter and Instagram page, and when I clicked onto the Facebook page, I found that it's been directed to the clothing brand, but it is another Facebook name, and that is Represent. So this is not linked to the official KoreXKenshin site. It is linked with some other site and where this product is being sold. Similarly, I found it on the Instagram as well. It has been redirected to the Represent page and the product is being sold over there, but the site is not mentioned. So it is indirectly been linked to one of the popular Facebook page. And I also tried to find more about this website and wanted to look for the reviews. If you talk about the reviews of this product, people have bought this product and they are quite happy, but it is not sure that whether they have bought this product from this site, because this product, that is KoreXKenshin cool t-shirts, are available at various other online sites as well. So the product reviews are quite appealing and the people are buying this product, but whether they have bought from this website or not, it is a mystery, because I cannot find any traffic volume related to this website and there is no customer rating on the product on this website, and the traffic volume is extremely low. The social media connections are very much indirect and this site becomes very skeptical for me. So friends, I would say that the product is good and you can buy this product, but from a legit website. As for now, this website does not seem a legit one for me. It looks like a possible scam because of low traffic volume, no information of the website, no address, no contact number, and no refund or shipping policy, no rating on the product. And so online buyers are not recommended to buy this particular product from this website as it is a possible scam. Friends, if you have any suggestions regarding this website, please mention it in the comment box. Also, do subscribe the channel as it will help us to know more about the online sites and we will make you aware about the various online sites. Also, do explain your experiences and also suggestions regarding this website in the comment box. Do like the video and share the video as well. Thank you very much and have a great day.